Christmas. Look at all these gifts. Daddy, is that big box for me?
It sure is, daughter, and you'll be mighty excited about this present.
Sniff, sniff, sniff.
Pause, get away from there.
Pause, what are you doing? Pause, get away from there. That's grandmother's special chocolates.
Grandma, can I have one?
No, those are my chocolates.
Don't bother your grandma.
I'm gonna go to bed.
Daddy, when can I open this box?
Oh, you never know about this present. It just might jump out at you.
It's just what I always wanted.
You're welcome, darling. Merry Christmas. I'm so lonely.